Want to save about $40 on groceries this week? Here are 7 easy swaps. No coupons or crazy rules needed. Check out the Bill Busters playlist for more ways to cut costs. Grab a free weekly meal plan template. Link below. All you need is a notes app or just a piece of paper. Here's what we'll cover. The $40 goal, 7 simple swaps, a before and after cart comparison, and a quick meal plan walkthrough. Let's get started. First, swap name brands for store brands on your staples. An easy way to save without sacrificing quality. Next, buy bulk basics like rice, oats, and pasta to stretch your dollar further. Choose frozen veggies instead of fresh pre-cut. They're just as nutritious and much cheaper. Pick whole produce over pre-cut for better value and freshness. Use drink concentrates instead of bottled drinks to cut costs on beverages. Plan 4 dinners and use leftovers to avoid last-minute takeout. Limit snacks and check the unit price to keep impulse buys in check. See the difference in your cart before and after these swaps. Your total drops fast. Here's a quick look at a simple weekly meal plan. Ready to try these swaps? Let's wrap up. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and isn't financial advice.